Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Toyota Yaris YR Hatch, stock reference number 4463. This shape runs from the 10th month 2005 through to the 12th month 2019. It has a 2NZ, 1.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 2NZ, 1.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the bonnet, which has a couple of small dents, radiator grille, right-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with factory 14-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has a couple of small dents and a bit of paint peeling. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with an average tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Right rear door has a couple of small dents as well as the clear coat peeling. Same as the front. Right front door, a couple of small dents, clear peeling. Right guard appears to have no damage apart from the clear peeling. Faded right-hand power door mirror and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, instrument cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and a tidy vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel with no controls. I'm Chris from Toyota Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.